Looking for affordable luxury in Texas? You won't believe what $249,000 can get you in. City name. Stick around for an exclusive tour of this modern 3-bedroom masterpiece that's move-in ready and packed with upgrades. Let's step inside. Looking for affordable luxury in Texas? You won't believe what $249,000 can get you in. City name. Stick around for an exclusive tour of this modern 3-bedroom masterpiece that's move-in ready and packed with upgrades. Let's step inside. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a bright and airy foyer with gorgeous hardwood floors and modern recessed lighting. This sets the tone for the entire home. Clean lines, contemporary design, and a welcoming vibe. Now, let's talk about the heart of this home, the open concept living area. This space is perfect for entertaining or just relaxing with family. You've got 9-foot ceilings, large windows that flood the room with natural light, and these beautiful engineered hardwood floors that run throughout the main living areas. The neutral color palette makes it easy to personalize, whether you love bold decor or a minimalist vibe. Check out this electric fireplace. It's a focal point of the room and adds warmth without the hassle of maintenance. Plus, the built-in shelving is perfect for displaying your favorite books or decor. The layout here is so versatile. You could set up a cozy sectional here, add a reading nook there, or even create a home office corner. The living room flows seamlessly into the dining area, which is ideal for hosting dinner parties or casual meals. This space easily fits a table for 6 to 8, and you've got direct access to the kitchen, which we'll explore next. Welcome to the gourmet kitchen, every home chef's dream. This kitchen is a standout with its sleek quartz countertops, custom shaker-style cabinets, and a massive center island that doubles as a breakfast bar. The stainless steel appliances are top of the line, including a gas range, French door refrigerator, and an ultra-quiet dishwasher. I love this deep farmhouse sink. It's both stylish and practical for washing large pots or soaking laundry. The matte black fixtures add a modern touch, and there's plenty of storage with these soft close cabinets and a walk-in pantry just around the corner. Speaking of storage, this pantry is a game changer. It's spacious enough for all your groceries, small appliances, and even extra serving dishes. And check out the under cabinet lighting. It's perfect for prepping meals at night or creating ambience during a dinner party. From the kitchen, you've got a great view of the backyard, which we'll check out later. This layout makes it easy to keep an eye on kids or guests while you're cooking. Let's head to the master suite, which is a true retreat. This room is generously sized, easily fitting a king-size bed with plenty of space for a sitting area or dresser. The large windows let in tons of natural light, and you've got plush carpeting for that cozy, barefoot feel. The master bathroom is straight out of a luxury spa. You've got dual vanities with quartz countertops, a massive walk-in shower with rainfall showerhead, and these stunning subway tiles. There's also a deep soaking tub, perfect for unwinding after a long day. So, what do you think? This $249,000 modern home in city name, Texas, is the perfect blend of style, comfort, and value. From the open concept living area to the gourmet kitchen and serene backyard, it's move-in ready and waiting for you to make it your own. Homes like this don't stay on the market long, so don't wait. If you're ready to take the next step, give me a call at your phone number, or email me at your email. I'd love to schedule a private tour at Antonio, 2025, at 4:19 p.m. showing or answer any questions you have about this incredible property. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home tours and real estate tips. There's a saying in real estate, the best time to buy a home was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Reach out today, and let's make this dream home yours.